In this video, I will show you how to do a basic purchase order. First, you have to go to the account payable and see this is purchase orders or purchase order. And just say new purchase order, and you select the vendor account number. In this case, I just select the first one, and you see the ship to address. Make sure it's the correct address. If not, you can add the new address here using the add button. It will add the new address. And see this channel right here. You see the arrow key go down. If you click this, it will expand the general function. So in this case, it's the purchase order, right? Because there's a journal also, and purchase order is an order. In this case, it's the purchase order. Okay, make sure you select the purchase type correctly, and the warehouse. So when you select the warehouse, it will default to the address of the warehouse. But you, if it's different, you have to re-enter the correct address. And account day and request day. Project ID. This if this purchase belongs to a certain project, you can enter the project ID. And the administration key right here. There's a few functions like orderer, the one who order, and then requester, the one who requests the order. You can select using this scroll down button. So this is like preset function. And you see the unplanned purchase. This is for the purchase order that you already get the item, but you haven't processed the order yet, purchase order yet. You can use the confirming PO. It's for like urgent. If you need the item urgently, and then you don't have time to do the purchase order, and then you call the vendor to ship the item before you produce a purchase order. And then say OK. Now you have to enter the item. Okay. If you can use the filter to filter the item right here. Yeah. If you I say the item contain 23. Okay. Number 23, and then you can see this item that's what I want to purchase. Let's assume that you want to order 10 of them. And you have to enter the unit price. In this case, just say $100 each. And then the total $1,000. Okay. You can use the view total to so they list the total order, and then you can the next step is you have to go to purchase. You have to confirm. Okay, confirm that confirmation, right? Say okay. And now, you see under the journal, they produce the purchase order confirmation. You can print out this one and email to the vendor to confirm your purchase order. And then the next step is the receive, right? Receive, you can print out a receipt list and give to the warehouse person to so he or she can match with the item when it arrived in the warehouse. And yeah, this is the receipt list right here. Say okay. Now the receipt list is produced, okay, and then after the warehouse person get the receipt list, and he or she can compare the list with the item arrived, and then when he get the item, he can go to the product receipt, and using the packing list or something from the vendor, you can enter the number here. Now the product receipt is produced, okay, so it's already generated, and then the next step is the invoicing. Invoice is you can produce the invoice right here. So the invoicing, there's you have to match product receipt. The two-step match, and then you update it. So you match the product receipt is the quantity right here, and then the this is the the product receipt. Okay, just select all line, and then select all line, and say okay. Now you match the product receipt, and then the next one is the update match status. You can see right here there's match status is not performed yet. So if after you hit this, they will pass. So the is matched. Okay. So make sure the price and the quantity, the item are matched. And after that, you're ready to post the invoice. But before you post the invoice, there's the invoice identification right here. Usually this problem is the invoice number from the vendor. Or so this one can prevent duplicate invoicing. Okay, so when the number is used, you cannot use again. And then you post right here. So in this case, you assume that you receive all the item 10. Okay. In some part of the vendor, they just ship partially. That one I will show you on the next video. Now the journal, right? The invoice generated, and this is like gray out, so you know the invoice already produced. So you just go to invoice, and then you just check the total amount, make sure they match with the purchase order. see the invoice right here. So the quantity is 10, and then each unit price $100, and the total $1,000. Okay, thank you very much.